Hello, my awesome friends. This is Betty and un poco de todo, a little bit of everything. I'm making meatballs and spaghetti in the crock pot, the slow cooker. Frozen meatballs that I purchased at Sam's. They're very delicious. And the spaghetti sauce that I love, this one. This one is no sugar, even though I'm gonna add sugar to the sauce so it would give it like that flavor, that Italian flavor. Then normally I use garlic, fresh onion. Today I'm gonna be using powder. Italian seasoning, a little bit of parsley, a little bit of basil, of course. You know, my basil. And of course, my basil. That a spaghetti without basil, no. That's not Italian. So these are the seasonings that I'm using. And I'm using some chicken broth too for the flavor. And of course, Cubans, I'm originally from Cuba, we have to have the sazonador Goya that has a little bit of every seasoning that you can imagine. And we continue to cook the meatballs. They smell delicious. Look at that sauce. Okay, let's try that sauce a little bit. It's been cooking for about an hour. Delicioso, delicious. And I use 2 black pepper and salt. I like to use the pink Himalayan salt. And this is a sauce. And let's see the end result in about an hour and a half. I'm cooking meatballs in the Ninja Crockpot. Very good. This is my 3rd Crockpot, and I love this one very much. I'm about to, in a little bit, because we still have an hour and 40 minutes on the meatballs. But I wanted to show you the spaghettis that I use. I use H-E-B brand. I love H-E-B, and I shop at Kroger's and Randall's and Sam's and Walmart sometimes, but my preferred place is H-E-B. So this is the spaghetti I'm gonna be using. And on the water, I like to put a little bit of chicken broth, a dash of olive oil, and salt to the taste. So the spaghetti has the flavor, and then when you pour the sauce, yum, yum, yum. Hello, my awesome friends again. While the meatballs are cooking, which smell delicious, I made myself some brunch. Chilaquiles. That's a dish from Mexico. It is delicious with an egg. Oh. Yummy, yummy, yummy. With queso fresco and cilantro and green salsa. I love Mexican food. Okay, even though I'm Cuban, I love Mexican food. I love Chinese, I love Asian, I love all kinds of food, but one of my favorites is Mexican food. I'll see you in a bit. Hello, my awesome friends. Here's the final result of the meatballs with spaghetti in the crock pot. Look how thick and hearty that sauce is. And you pour over the spaghettis, and voila. This is the final result. And it was an easy dish to make for busy, some of us that are so busy. And don't forget, subscribe, please. Give me a like. Hit the bell so I'm able to make you more videos like this one. God bless you. Give me a like and please subscribe. And on the next video, we're making pie flan. On the next video coming up. Follow us. God bless.